He is Mr. E. He works in a small private firm. He works very hard, but still his work and life remains messed up. His company conducts training in various courses. These trainings happen all around the country. His company has an army of trainers. Mr. E has to send mail to all these trainers about trainings they have to conduct. Mr. E filters data of upcoming trainings in his master sheet, copies that data, pastes it to the mail, and sends it to the trainers one by one. He spends the entire day doing this, and still some of his schedule remains unsent. He gets extremely frustrated. Now let's see how we can help him. There is our bulk mail sender. This is basically a macro-enabled Excel workbook. This workbook has three main sheets. First is the master sheet, in which we'll keep our data. Second is the mail body. In this we'll draft our mail. Third is the attached report. In this we can define the columns of master sheet, the columns whose data we want in our mail. Now on this master sheet, the first column is for serial number. In the second column, we'll have to put all the mail IDs. In this case, I have added the mail IDs of the trainers. These are sample mail IDs. Third column is for mailing criteria. This will vary depending on your situation. In this case, we have two criteria. One is training completed, and the second one is upcoming training. After this, all these columns can be anything depending on your case. Here we have added details of the trainings, like trainer name, batch ID, course, center name, training data, state, all these data of the training. Now we'll see how this works. Let's first draft the mail. Now we have drafted this mail. It's a generic mail. You can add CC or BCC. That's not mandatory. We can even have attachments. The path of the file attached will be displayed here. You can add any number of attachments. Now let's define the columns whose data we want in the mail. In this case, we need all this data. Name, batch ID, course, trainer name, date, coordinator, mobile number, everything. We want all this data from column number D to column number M. So let's mention this here. It's done. Now the mail is ready. Batch report data is ready. Now let's click on send mail. When you click on this button, it will ask you to select one of the criteria that was mentioned in your sheet. In this case, we have training completed, upcoming training, and an option for all. It means whether you want to send mail to all, means everyone, or to training completed, or to upcoming training. In this case, now we are going to select upcoming training. After selecting this criteria, click send mail. Now we can see we have all the mails here. Trainer 2, training schedule, documents are attached here. Mail body, detail of the batches. It's coming for all the trainers. Now let's match this mail with our data on the master sheet. Let's filter it. Trainer 5. Trainer 5. Upcoming trainings are for batch 05 and batch 25. Batch 05, batch 25. Okay, we have all the details here. Let's match one more. Trainer 8, trainer 8, trainer 8, batch 8 and 28. Trainer 8, both are upcoming trainings, batch 8 and batch 28. So we have all the mails ready here with the required data. In this case, we have set the property of the mails to display. We can even directly send them without even displaying. They will directly show in our outbox. So we can see that work which was taking hours to be completed can now be done with just a click. Hope this tool proves useful to many of you. I request you all to kindly follow our page to remain updated of all such tools that we will be coming up with. Thank you for watching. Meet you all in the next video.